yes, Mama Jesus. Afamobo, Madam Theresa so all the way from Abagana. Welcome to the show. And of course, welcome to this. Some would say you are beautiful, but I don't see how. But anyway, welcome this beautiful young lady, Chidera Nwanozie, on the show. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
Oh, I'm fine. Now, Lashes, you about to quiet too much. You might start flying. Oh my goodness. So it's been such a long time and you look rather gorgeous. You're doing well, aren't you?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Your lipstick is smudging.
Thank you. So how is the Netherlands? Because that's where you are, right?
Yeah.
Were you deported? Or did you come back home?
No, I was not deported.
Oh.
I was tired of the Netherlands, so I moved to the UK.
Oh, look at you going around.
Yes.
A lady that moves.
Yeah.
The amazing Chidera will be, helping us to translate some words and sentences to Dutch. Is that correct?
Yes.
I'm planning a trip to go there. And in case I happen to be there, I'd just like to know a few things.
Yeah.
Yes. So we'll be discussing 3 basic sentences as well as some of the most difficult words to pronounce in Dutch.
Yeah.
Let the show begin. The first sentence. Oh, my name is Madam Theresa Umebojiso. How do I introduce myself in Dutch?
Ik heet Madam Theresa.
Ik heet Madam Theresa.
Ik heet.
Ik heet.
Yeah.
Oh, look at you. So the moment I arrive, ik heet Madam Theresa.
Exactly.
Ik heet Madam Theresa.
Sounds so
To anyone who's willing to know.
Mm-hmm.
The next one is, this one is very important. Because, we're always looking for food.
Oh, yes.
So where can I find food?
Waar kan ik eten kopen?
Waar kan ik eten kopen?
No.
Waar kan ik eten kopen?
No. Waar
kan
ik
eten
kopen?
kopen?
Yeah.
Waar kan I'm so. What is that?
You spat in my eyes.
Oh, I'm sorry. Think of it as skincare. You look like you need it. So, I will learn it. I'll rewatch this video over and over to learn how to say that that sentence. Yes.
Okay. Good luck.
The next one. Where am I? I have such a terrible sense of direction. I can get lost.
I can tell.
Can you?
Yeah.
Oh, love it. So
You've got a little lipstick on your teeth. Okay. So where am I?
yes, where am I? That's the word. Okay. That's a sentence rather.
Yeah. Waar ben ik?
Waar ben ik?
Waar
Oh, waar
ben ik?
ben ik?
Yeah.
Waar ben ik?
Where am I?
Where am I? Waar ben ik? Where are you?
Ik ben in your studio.
Ik ben in my studio. In your motherland is where you are, where you belong, honey. And you keep on running. I'm
not running.
I mean, you do need to run anyway. To lose a bit of all that.
Excuse me?
You heard me.
Circle.
What does that mean? That I'm lovely?
Yes.
As opposed to you? Okay, let's just get right on to some of the most difficult words to pronounce in Dutch.
Ridiculous?
Ridiculous?
Yeah. Belachelijk.
Belachelijk.
No, belachelijk.
Belachelijk.
You sound ridiculous.
You look ridiculous.
You look belachelijk.
I look belachelijk?
Yes.
Well, so does your wig. Let's get right on to the next word.
88.
88, the number. That's difficult to pronounce in Dutch.
Very difficult. So
Tell us.
88.
88.
88.
88. I'm so good with languages.
You are.
You know?
Oh,
I'm the best.
You're good.
How long did it take you to learn this language?
6 months.
Oh, really? I can learn it in what? 2? Not to brag or anything.
2
months.
I thought it was days. Okay.
Could you do it in 2 days?
I could.
Oh, you could?
I could.
Then why did you learn in 6 months?
I just didn't want to. I just didn't want to.
Didn't want to, or you were daft?
Jesus!
Let's get right on to the next
Okay.
word.
You shout a lot.
Is that the next word?
Schreeuwen. Shout.
I shout a lot.
Yes.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Like, why don't you talk calmly? So schreeuwen is shouting. Pronounce it. Schreeuwen. Schreeuwen.
Careful. Okay. My saliva might do you well when it comes to skincare, but yours might be poisonous. So
Shame.
schreeuwen.
No. Schreeuwen.
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 You tried.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Nagazo kwagazo. It's a question I expect an answer. Oh, did she?
Yes.
Iwenasi. Onye buobon negi.
Bia bia bia.
No, not a shout.
Yeah.
Shout. Excuse me, are you trying in Alamaka? Are you pointing at me?
The Igbo is not entering.
Oh, of course, because nothing enters your head. And when if an aban? Yes. Smile. And when you get home, tell your mother that you saw me and record the fear on her face. You don't mess with me. Don't you dare. So, Mama Jesus, Dalu Norina for joining us on this wonderful episode of, quick translations to Dutch. I can acquire our salty guest for joining us on the show. Chidera, Nwanozie. Afamobo, Madam Theresa Memboji, so all the way from Abagana. Do join us next time.
Cody.
That's the door. I'm sure you know how to use it. This is the part you leave.
It stinks here anyway. Ciao.
Cut it. Cut the video. Our beautiful guest, the amazing Ezinne Peters. Nyamakabiko. Hey! Not for your jewelry.
Hey.
I mean, look at you. You're pretty much glowing. Fake gold, nonetheless, but you're glowing.
Excuse me? 18 karat and 22 karat all the way.
Oh, that ring is beautiful.
My 20th wedding anniversary gift.
Abby, is it the money from the fraud?
Fraud?